fish hit it as soon as it hit the water. That's a big fish. That's how it's gonna fish, huh? I'll leave this spot alone. Uh-oh. Feels okay. Maybe I should sample it. I don't know. Oh, that's a big fish. That was a good thump right there. This looks really good right here. I think this would be a decent spot. Oh no. Everything out here is hungry except for the bass. There's a ton of bait right there. Missed. Convince the fish to eat. This would be the spot. I got a nice open area over there. This might just be the spot that I end up tomorrow. But I'm gonna go in that canal. That's where I really wanted to get to today. See a pretty sizable gator sitting right there. Doesn't even look like a real gator. Got another one hooked. I don't think he's very big, but so this is working. I don't think I want to pester these fish much anymore. Save them for tomorrow. I think I've seen enough to know where I'm gonna fish tomorrow. I think I was able to find some key spot. We'll be able to catch a limit tomorrow and hopefully catch a decent bag of fish and be competitive in the tournament. I really need a good tournament because the past few haven't been that great. I think everything's gonna come into play where we'll have a decent day of fishing tomorrow. Hey, good morning, folks. We're back out here on Lake Toho for the Florida Kayak Bass Trail tournament out here. Weather's looking great so far. I think the wind will pick up in a little while. Supposed to be 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's right where I like it. But yeah, I'm out here. I'm at my spot. Got like 4 minutes to go before line's in. I've already seen some fish moving around and doing some stuff. So far, fingers crossed, I'm the only person out on this side of the lake. And there's like 2 bass tournaments happening today as well. I mean, 2 boat tournaments. Hopefully that stays the same. You know, I don't expect it to, but hopefully it does. That'd be great. I'm gonna start here, and then I'm just gonna keep my eyes peeled for any other kayakers. And if I see any coming this way, I'm gonna beeline it to the east where my other spot is and just go ahead and clean that area up. But I wanted to get in here, see what this was doing first thing in the morning, because I think during the day, no fish really swim through it because it's just too exposed. But like I said, 3 minutes to go till the line's in. Y'all stay tuned. There we go. That was a bad angle. I was like, there we go. It's like to my 5 o'clock. It's not the right angle for catching fish. Especially if you're left-handed. Oh man. Come on, buddy. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. You're a 14. Alrighty. Thank you, sir. Fish number 1 in the boat. That one wanted the goose. The gooseberry. Let's see if we can get one more out of this worm. I don't have many to spare today. Oh. Get in the boat. It's 13 or so. And a quarter. Oh, dang. That was a little one. Had to be a little one. I think it just had the tail. I've hit twice now. That's a better one. Don't get no weeds. Don't get no weeds. Oh, dang. Oh, that was risky. Oh, man. There we go. It's like a 18, 19 somewhere, hopefully. Pretty good fish. That was risky. I need to do a better job at netting fish. These are 17 3/4. Alrighty, sir. Thank you very much. Alright, something bit over here. Throw the worm in there in a second. It is 8:20, and I've got 3 fish. Doing pretty good, I think. I think when this fog burns off, it'd be even better when the sun starts heating up the water some more. There's fish moving around today. It's a lot different than yesterday. I wonder if this fog has got something to do with it. Dang. Took that one away from that one. Oh gosh. Tell if that's oh no. Oh no. Come on, get out. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh. Here we go. That's what I was hoping was under there. She's pinned too, she wasn't going anywhere. There we go. That's a nice fish. 18. In a month or so, I could get her to stretch to an 18 and a quarter, but she's, come on, focus. She's an 18. Let's go. It's a good fish. Thank you. Goodbye. Alright, fish number 5. We got a limit. Not a winning limit, but we got a limit. I don't know. It might just be 11.75 inches. Whoa. Don't fall through the hole, don't fall through the hole. Really need to bring my insert while I'm doing stuff like this. Okay, can we do this gently? He is 13 inches on the dot. Or maybe a little more. Okay. I think a little, I'm not holding it. Ow! Deserve that. There we go. Fish number 5. Got a limit. Time to upgrade. Hello, friend. Let's take a video of you. Nothing? No. You don't like that. Not about that. What are you doing? Ooh. Let it go. Let it go right now. Right now, sir. Sir. He doesn't have the hook. Let it go. Please. Let it go. Don't make me grab you. Tear the tail off my worm. Let it go. Yep. Okay. I think it's time to go try that other spot. I'm pretty sure I'm still the only person out here. I haven't seen anybody. I think the game plan is to go in that canal over here, check that out, see if there's anything playing around in there, which I'm hoping there is, because I need to upgrade that 13 for sure. And then maybe I'll come back and check that area again over there. Check the dock for sure. I think he's gonna cull. Need it. He was like 12. Okay, the gator from yesterday is definitely alive. He's turned around now. Oh, shoot. Gar picked it up. Oop. There we go. There's an upgrade. I hate this net sometimes. Oh, I said it was an upgrade. He's shrinking as I hold him. Skinny little fella. Okay, we got a 14. And a half. Alrighty. Thank you, little buddy. Now we'll get rid of that 13. He was small. Not too worried about that one. Just caught this little guy, but he's not gonna measure. I gotta get 13 and a half, which, you know what, just to be safe, I think he's a 12.75, honestly. He's not even a 12. Okay, so I didn't know what he was, but I knew he wasn't a 13 and a half. Mouth was too small. Just kind of dragging this big old worm through here. Dang. I think it's time to stop using the little one. That was a sizable fish. Alright, I've brought out the big worm, the big gooseberry worm. It's also straight braid, so should do a lot better. Left a little in that one. At least I hope that was wine. Oh, it smelled, yeah, it's wine. I smell it. Oh man. Okay, if anybody sees my kayak later with a glass bottle in it, I was not drinking. Just cleaning up the lake. Go. I don't know if that's gonna go. You are a 12 3/4. Raccoon. A bandit. Maybe that's a sign. I need to land it with a bandit. I don't even know if I have any bandit crankbaits. I used to. It used to be one of my favorite ones. It's just kind of another little guy. I think he's 13. It's been a few hours since I last turned on the camera. Yeah, he's 12 inches. All I can say is I'm gonna sleep pretty darn good tonight. Oh, gosh. Oh. That'll call a 13.5 right there. I should have came over here earlier. Oh man. There we go. That's probably a 16 or so. Oh man, I am just beat. I think there's more over there. I just gotta convince him to eat. Yeah, he's right. Oh, he's 16 and almost a quarter. Let's just get him to. He's 16. Alrighty, buddy. Very dark fish. Thank you. Dang! That felt like a good bite too. Might have been a gar, but I don't know at this point. I don't even care. I just like, I'm gonna get bites. I don't think he'll help, but I just wrangled this beast out of them weeds over there. Got some long teeth on him. No, that's not gonna do anything. I think I need a 14 or better. 14 and a quarter or better. Should probably look, but if I look, I'll see the scoreboard, and I don't want to look at the scoreboard right now. It usually makes me freak out if I'm close to this late in the game. It is 1:18. We fish until 3. I gotta be back at the ramp by 4:15. Okay, caught that one. Oh, it's very green. Just tried to, hook in the foot, hook in the foot. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. I can't take much more of this. They're out here chasing the bass, chasing the other little fish. So, just gotta run my, man, I should have stayed out here the entire time. Oh my goodness, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. 17 and a quarter. How's that for a 3-inch upgrade? I don't even know if you can hear me. There's a guy weeding over here, but beautiful fish. Thank you, sir. No! Dang it! Dang it! Oh no, come on, that was the fish. That was what I needed. That definitely was bigger than 14 and a quarter. Oh man. That was probably a 15 or a 16. Had a big head. Hey, come. Oh, that makes me sick. I'm just throwing. Oh, dang it. Oh, I don't think I have him anymore. No, I lost him. Another one. That was small though. Pretty sure that was small. He just grabbed the worm. Losing too many fish. That might cull a 14 1/4. I doubt it though. I'm gonna fool with that one. That's not a 14 1/4. We still catching fish. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it's 2:06. I'm thinking this will cull that 14 1/4. Ouch. Just make sure, yeah, he's a 15 1/4. An extra inch, that'll help. This late in the game, you can't scoff at not getting, oh, he's just at 15. Oh, dang. Thank you, fish. Didn't want to assume that one's gender. I'm gonna cut it, buddy. I'm gonna cut it. Appreciate the enthusiasm, though. Dang! I think that was another little one, maybe. Shoot. Come on, Daddy needs a 20-incher. Shoot! I keep missing fish. That might have been a guard though. Dadgummit. Last worm magic. Let's hope there's a 20-incher wanting to eat around here. In the next 8 minutes. Well, that's it. Don't think I got enough to get back out of 5th place. God, I'm so tired. Oh man, I'm gonna hurt tomorrow. Let's get all this packed in and then get out of here. We gotta get back to the check-in.
What a tournament, y'all. Between being absolutely exhausted and having to rush back to the ramp for check-in, I didn't have time to make a solid outro, so we're doing a voiceover instead. Overall, an awesome day on the water. I managed to catch several fish and was on a pattern most of the day. It wasn't easy though. I had to paddle by hand nearly all day, and my motor and other equipment weighing my Outback down didn't make it easy to move around. I think my pedals were only used for maybe an hour the whole day. I ended up coming in 5th out of 46 anglers the day of the tournament, but due to some late enforcement of the rules, one of the top 5 finishers' fish were disqualified, so I ended up getting 4th a day or so later. This was the finish I needed, and I can't wait to follow it up at the next tournament on Lake Kissimmee. Currently, I'm 2nd in AOI points, right where I want to be right now. A win would put me in 1st, but I'm going to try not to get too far ahead of myself. Thank y'all so much for watching up to this point. If you're still here, do me a favor and smash that like button and leave a comment and let me know what you thought of the video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I put out videos every Wednesday. Thank Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a good one and tight lines.